Hey guys, this is Barry Tron over at Reach Wireline with you at the Bynum Golf Tournament. Big shout out to Jeff Miranda for putting this on with Shale Energy Partners.
Hey y'all, this is Mike and Rocky Brown and we're with Advanced Equipment Rental. First off, we want to thank Shale Energy for everything that they do in providing these awesome events, which have also allowed Mike and I to meet new people.
Look at the time on the clock, man, I'm gonna sleep when I'm dead. Whether you're ready or not, I'm rolling in like.
We've always enjoyed supporting Shale Resources with Jeff and Miranda. They've always been great to us. I think this is probably our 4th year to be supporting this group.